Hello, my name is Wan Karunisha Sharabitiwa Khalid and my metric number is S60444. So in this video, I will talk about how I complete my role on the task that I was assigned to. First of all, I was assigned to do the test competition on finding the chargeable income along with my partner, Nurul Aiza. And I also was assigned to do the tax planning along with Nurul Aiza, Nur Asna and Darshin. To be informed, all the discussion process was through online.
For my first task in finding the chargeable income, we need the amount of statutory income, and here the other partner who was assigned to find the statutory income got RM 240,175.47, then less with unobserved business loss brought forward. However, this company there is no unobserved business loss, so it is nil. Then we add with other taxable income, which is dividend received is exempted. For rental, it is nil because um the account was closed based on the documents of financial statement after we checked the rental account. So we got the aggregate income same as the statutory income. So then we left with donation. For donation, we assume it is approved donation that was donated to local authority with no limit of donation. So it is not calculated as 10% of aggregate income because it is to local authorities. So just take the full amount of RM 3684. Then we left with zakat. Calculate as 2.5% of aggregate income because this company owned by Muslims, so it is compulsory to pay the zakat. That we got RM 6004.39. After the aggregate income less donation and zakat, we got the total chargeable income of RM 230487.09. Since the total chargeable income is less than RM 600,000, so times with 70% tax rate that we get RM 39182.80 for income tax payable. For the second task, based on the scenario given, we create a tax planning for Mr. L. For A, whether he should take a salary from the company. According to Section 230 CA 2016, Mr. L can take a salary from the company. Then, for B, the choice of buying a car under his name or the company's name, Mr. L should buy a car under the company's name as business investment, so Mr. L can recoup the VAT. Then, for C, whether he can do more advertisement or give more entertainment to the client in the year 2022. Mr. L should do more advertisement that is related to the business because of the full deduction of tax compared to entertainment for clients that only 50% of tax deduction. Then for D, the launching of new product next month, whether he can do any activities to reduce tax. This type of tax planning is under R&D and it is a must for any business to reduce the tax because it is used for double deduction. So Mr. L is highly encouraged to do this R&D. For E, if he should give more donations so the tax is reduced, according to Section 44C, Mr. L must give more donation to reduce tax. However, the donation must be made to approved institution to get the tax deduction. If the donation for the government and local authority will get full deduction if donation to approved organization, to approved sport bodies, and to approve organization that was approved by the Prime Minister will get 10% deduction of aggregate income. The donation to library in cash limit deduction for RM 20,000 and to art gallery is limited to the value determined by the art gallery. For F, whether the company can absorb the director's personal or domestic expenses. According to Section 39 prohibited expenses, Mr. F should less these expenses because it is under non-allowable expenses. So that's all for me. Thank you.